Alright, now for the hard part. There's always got to be a hard part. First it was the milk, now it's creative mode. Alright, first things first, I want to make everything free. So, logically, we're gonna find the money script. And by doing some Control-Shift-F shenanigans, we found the money. So here is use money. All of this code calculates the money. And if we're in creative mode, we don't want that. You could either make a whole if and else, or you could just check. If it's creative mode, then you return the function and you spend no money. So let's call the game manager that Dani made and then find the game mode if it's equal to game settings.game mode.creative. If it is, then we return. And that's it. No errors. If it's creative mode, no money. And there's craft item, but we don't want to craft it. So you know what we do? Copy paste and we put everything inside a check if it's creative mode or not. This checks if it's not creative mode, then go ahead and do all the calculations. So we got a boolean function is craftable. All this seems like it's calculating if it's craftable or not, and it doesn't craft if you don't have the required items, and we don't want that in creative mode. So we could just do a simple Control C, Control V, boom, if statement, drop everything in, and yeah, and we gotta return something, so we're gonna return true, so we could go ahead and craft the item even if we're in creative mode. And right after we have this function craft item, and it seems like Dani already made a condition here. So if all this is true, then return. You know what else we could add at the very end? Control C, Control V. Alright, let's do a quick build and check out the game. And yup, we can unlock everything here. Nice. Let's go. Okay, perfect.